Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the how to make the simple website using Bootstrap. So here, today is a part 2 tutorial of Bootstrap. If you are not watched my first one video, you must watch and come. Then only you will be able to understand how to make the attractive website using Bootstrap framework. Right. Let's continue the lesson. Now here, before make these columns we already discussed about, right? How to make the columns and rows, all things we have already uh, we have discussed, right? So if you want to make another column, here the same row, I just copy, and this row is open here, starting here and closing here. I just copy this column, row, paste it below, control S to save and refresh it. Here it's make again, right? So what's the problem here is, I have put it outside, that's why, right? This div is started here, close it here. You have to make this one inside, right? Control is to save. Now you can see the output, right? Okay, it is inside the container you have to put, it will be setting here. Outside, if you put outside the container, it will be go here, right? Now here what I'm going to do is, we have discussed about these rows. I am going to get rid of these lines. Okay, keep this line, right? So now what I'm going to do is, we'll see the difference, right? Now here, if you are running this web of different devices like tablets and mobile devices, right, and web devices, right? We have you have run on this web for different devices. So you have to consider these things, right? The Bootstrap grid, this is a grid. Okay, it's a grid. If you are split the columns, this is kind of a grid. So first you have to understand how the grid works, right? So here I have simply I explained. If you are running this website for mobile users, right? If you have made the website, when the user accessing through mobile, you have to use access, right? When the user accessing your site via the tablet, you are using this SM, right? If you are using a, uh, MD for desktops, so here these are the three things you have to for. After that, you have to, for the larger desktops, you have to write LG. So you have to know, you have to understand of Bootstrap this following tags, right? So how to make this column? Okay, we already discussed on only the MD only. MD suitable for the desktop. So this is the desktop. Okay, here this desktop version, right? So here this is a responsive. Here now, if you are right here, if you are right here, it is coming to the desktop. Here, if you are responsive here, it's not coming professional. Here, here if you are right like here, now here you can see the different. Now I am to implement that. Now I am going to implement that. You can see I want to put into here as call SM6. Okay, this one should be 6. SM. It is supports for the tablet. It's a tablet version. Okay, it supports for the tablet version. Okay, so only these two rows coming, only the size should be this size should be 12. Okay, if you are typing above the 12, it's coming to the next line. So here what I'm going to see, the same thing, I just copy it, paste it below, this also paste it below, this also paste it below. Now you can see what I'm trying to do it here. Here where this one should be, what I'm going to do is, if you are running the tablet, the SM should be work, right? When the web is running the desktop, it's working like this. If your tablet, if it's a responsive here, it's make like this here. This responsive here. Okay, tablet here. Tablet means it's coming like this, the window. Right now here, if you're accessing through the mobile, I'm got same thing. I just copy it. Just copy this line and to make it as this one should be 4. So the tag should be XS, right? So what I'm meaning, 666 mean only split two rows. Okay, only split 2 rows. If it is above 2 rows, it goes to the next line. Okay, the the hello would be go to the next line, right? It hello would be go to the next line. Okay, here like this, all the two lines, right? If you split it, it's next line, it goes to the next line. So here it will be go here 6666, right? 666, right? This is 3333. 66 mean it's going when the uh, when you running the tablet, it will be go to the next line, right? So it's a mobile devices. You can check here class. This one, it's a class. You write SL XS, right? This is a class. This one, you write like this. Okay, it will be arranged. You don't worry about this one. Should be arranged. It will be arranged, right? You have to do it here. But if you are going to 12 12, it's a 12. Okay, it's almost 12. Here 12 12, it's goes to the next line. Now here if it is a response here, now you don't have anything here. If it goes to the response here, you can see here, it goes to this line. Okay, if you go here, it goes to the next line here. You can see it's a mobile device, it goes to the next line. Okay, it will be arranging this like this. These three things. This is for tablets, it's a mobile devices, and I'm going to put the images and explain, right? So I've already put one folder which is a images. Inside the images folder, so how to make the images folder, you just, this is your project directory. You make the folder images. Inside the images, you have to put it to whatever images you need. You just download the images from the internet and put into here. Inside this folder, you have to name it 1 2 3 4 or any other name you can write like this. Okay, if you have to put it here inside the images folder, right? After that, if you have put it the images folder and put into the images, it automatically coming here in this project. Now you have a various images 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's link it and I'll be explaining, so you will be easily understand how the things work going on, right? So how to write the images, you have to write like this. img tag src equal, it will be images reside on images folder. You have to select the images folder here. What's the image one, you have to give the width and height of the image. I'm going to give 100 200 width, height will be, I'm going to give as 200. Image is responsive image. Okay, image will be must be responsive. So you have to implement the class img. You have to implement the class img responsive. You have to implement the img responsive. The responsive. You have to implement the class img responsive. Right. So the same thing, you just copy it, paste it below. This one will be 2. This one should be 3. This one should be 4. Right. Now let's file, save all. Now let's refresh it. Now here the image is displayed like this. Okay, so these are the images. Now if you go here, if it is in mobile devices, the images should be shown like this. You will be able to see, right? Okay, the images should be shown like this. Okay, this is how the images should be of the mobile devices, right? So here we could make it as 4. We check it, whatever. Okay, it will be devices, right? So it's various devices, it will be displaying various problems. Okay, it's a this one should be the tablets. If it is a mobile device, it's go to the mobile, this is showing here. If it is a desktop, it show like this. It is a tablet, you can see the tablet format, right? This how it will be okay, right? So this is the response. You have to give you have to add the class which is a image responsive. It will be more responsive of your image. Okay, these are the Bootstrap simple stuff. You have to, there are many students have a doubt about what is the things, what is the difference between all the, I have shown the command on the internet. There are many students asking the doubts about what is the purpose we are putting this this tag and this, right? These are the difference for the various devices. It will be displayed. Okay, so you have to write you have to split off the columns, you look like this, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you will be asking anytime. Thank you for watching.